Hey folks, it's Lauren from Snowy's here with the OZtrail Gazebo Sandbag Kit.
Hit it.
Super light and packable, easy to store with your gazebo kit, perfect for any make, model and brand of gazebo, ideal for when you can't peg down your legs. Hold up fam, before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our awesome content. Let's get started. So your sandbag kit comes in a pack of 4 in this little nifty sort of storage bag here. They're obviously nice and soft and squishy with an easy carry handle. They're made of polyester material and they're about 50 centimeters long by around about 20 centimeters in diameter. So ultimately, they're just designed for you to, see if I can cheat here by sort of scooping sand into it like so. And essentially when you can't get a peg through the feet of your gazebo, maybe because you're at the sand, somewhere like this, whereas your sand pegs are too big to go through the feet, or maybe you're on sort of pavement in a car park or on a patio or a veranda space or paved area and you can't put pegs down, these sandbags are a great alternative. So you can obviously fill them up with sand, but you can also fill them up with dirt or whatever other things you might have lying around. So we don't have an exact weight measurement of how heavy they are once they're filled with sand, but before packing, the full set of 4 only weighs about 300 grams. So they're nice and light. So it's not taking me too long just scooping up the sand by hand here. Just one more big scoop, I think. All right, and that about does it, I'd say. So we've got on the top here a nice drawstring and an easy release toggle. So we'll pull that nice and tight along to make sure no sand is going to be slipping out there. And we've also got these 2 heavy duty Velcro tabs on the side. So we're going to pick up and slide our sandbag over. Wow, that is pretty heavy actually. And obviously if you're using wet sand or something like that, it's going to be a lot heavier. And the Velcro tabs just going to simply wrap around the gazebo pole like so. And you want to be making sure that you're getting like as much full contact as you can between these 2 hook and loop sides to make your anchoring to that pole nice and strong. So that's as quick and easy as it is to use your OZtrail Gazebo Sandbag Kits. As you can see, versatile for a whole range of different gazebo sizes, shapes and brands. You can get this at snowys.com.au at our lowest prices every day, perfect for any situation where you can't peg your gazebo down.